In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find game activation code on Steam for Ubisoft Connect. If you purchased a Ubisoft game on Steam and it's asking for an activation key in Ubisoft Connect, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to find that code and how to redeem it so you can start playing without the hassle. First, open your Steam client and log into your account. Head to your library and locate the Ubisoft game you want to activate. Right-click the game title to open the context menu, hover over Manage, and choose CD keys. Depending on the game, this might also be labeled product code or something similar. Steam will display the activation code in a small window. Select and copy the code so you have it ready to paste. If you don't see the CD keys option, don't worry, some titles automatically link to Ubisoft Connect after installation, and the option can appear only once the game is fully added to your library. Also, treat the code like a password, don't share it publicly. Now open the Ubisoft Connect application and sign in using the same Ubisoft account that's linked to your Steam purchases. Using the correct account is important, because once a key is redeemed, it's permanently tied to that Ubisoft account. In Ubisoft Connect, click your profile avatar in the top left corner and select Key Activation. You'll see a field to enter your code. Paste the code you copied from Steam, then confirm to activate it. After a moment, you should see a success message. At this point, the game is linked to your Ubisoft account, and you can launch it through Ubisoft Connect without needing to re-enter the key. This link only needs to be done once per game. If you launch the title from Steam and Ubisoft Connect pops up asking for a code again, simply paste the same key you copied earlier. If the prompt keeps appearing, make sure your Steam account is properly linked to Ubisoft Connect to avoid repeated requests. Keeping both clients signed into the correct accounts usually prevents these prompts. That's it. Find the code in Steam, redeem it in Ubisoft Connect, and you're ready to play. If you ever need to reference the code again, you can return to the same CD keys or product code section in Steam, but once activation is complete, Ubisoft Connect will remember it for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.